Today, we bring you some moments that show that the ocean never jokes. What happened? A small mistake and $1 million prescription. Losing control of each other and a poor ship capsizing. And sometimes, nature itself becomes the captain. The rules are simple. Control the tide or be prepared for an accident. From runaway boats to a collision with a large cargo ship.
What happened? This Alaskan ferry veered off course and smashed into the Queen Beauty seafood plant. Thankfully, no one got injured. So where are we supposed to be? No, we're supposed to be in French Polynesia. A massive wave slammed a taxi boat during tow-in surfing at the world's most dangerous break. An engine failure caused a cargo ship to lose control while anchoring at Hay Point, Australia, crashing into a nearby vessel and triggering an emergency tugboat response. A navigation error under Rotterdam's Williamsburg Bridge left a container ship too tall for clearance, sending 3 containers into the water. Excessive speed in a narrow canal pulled a ship sideways, causing it to crash into another vessel in Canada. A single orca repeatedly rammed the rudder of a sailing boat off Portugal, disabling its steering and eventually causing the vessel to sink. Thankfully, everyone made it out safely. A sailboat lost steering control and drifted straight into a low bridge, a simple loss of control turning into a costly collision. Turns out the open waters are just like roads when it comes to rush hour. Want to see what happens if you don't wear your engine cutoff switch? That was a runaway boat now in someone's backyard. This dry dock launch went horribly wrong after a sudden weight and ballast imbalance caused it to lose stability. This is why even professionals need life jackets at all times. This $86 million yacht struck a bridge in Simpson Bay, St. Martin, due to a clearance misjudgment. The award for the quickest reflexes goes to this captain. Whatever you need to do, you do it. Start filming that. Start filming it. I'm not seeing anybody in the water or on the boat. No one's in there. I looked out. I got a good look at the cab. No one's in there. The sailboat here is making every mistake under the sun. He's just lucky he was facing captains who knew how to get out of his way in time. Fishing in Pakistan during the Parat season is an extreme sport. A motor yacht lost control while trying to moor at a buoy in Solta, Croatia, snagging a mooring line in its propeller. That ripped loose other lines and damaged multiple boats in the buoy field. When your driving skills on land meet a marina, chaos happens. A river vessel misjudged its height while passing under a bridge on the Mekong River in Vietnam, clipping a gate beneath the span. Sleeping on duty is never a good idea. If only there was a way to avoid that. Thankfully, there were no injuries this time. During port maneuvering in Taiwan, a container ship collided with a dockside crane, triggering its collapse when the vessel lost close quarters control. That's crazy. There must be more to this. Unpopular opinion, but boat rage is worse than road rage. A steering failure sent the heavily loaded carrier Red Z1 drifting off course in the Suez Canal, Egypt, where it scraped a ferry quay and canal wall before a tugboat stepped in and kept traffic moving. The boat just hit that on video. That was crazy. Didn't even do anything. Out of everything this boat could have hit, it somehow managed to crash straight into the USS Midway, a floating museum and one of the most recognizable ships in the harbor.
Line secured.
All clear on the stern.
Looking sharp, Cosmos.